may have it. Please blow the candle. Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant na si Tanton. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Pwede na po tayong umupo. And syempre, pakinggan naman natin kung anong birthday wish ni Mami and Daddy para sa kanilang birthday. Okay, Ma'am, ano po ang birthday wish na para kay Tom?
Bikunin mo si Anshu, babe.
Ganda. Ay, ang ganda.
Happy first birthday and Christmas, my love. May God bless you with
Girls, ay ito.
love, joy, good health,
Naiyak sa'yo rin.
and
Ito naiiyak ba?
a future bright kahit maraming corrupt, joke lang. I'm also grateful for the love and support. Thank you, family, godparents, and friends for joining our intimate celebration. Shout out po pala sa kay Mama Leia, who are always there for Ayrton no matter what happened.
Di pa epal doon, no? Mayayain ka to yun, eh. Mayayain yun, diba? Then, ikaw naman magsalita, girl.
Alright, okay, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. And once again, happy first birthday. Ang birthday wish lang sa'yo ng Makamons family is a good health. And syempre, lumaki siyang mabuting bata hanggang pagdaki. Alright, thank you so much. And now,